This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters: a Google account and Google Photos installed. Now act. First, open Settings then Apps. This removes any default gallery lock. Once done, go to your current gallery app, tap Open by default and clear default so Android can ask you. Then open a photo file. When prompted, choose Google Photos but do not tap Always yet. This gives you control. Make sure backup settings match your storage needs before finalizing. Now you finalize the default. Open a JPEG or PNG from Files. When the Open with dialog appears, select Google Photos. Choose Always to commit it as the default gallery app. This saves you repetitive prompts. If the option doesn't appear, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and manually assign Google Photos as the Photos/Gallery handler. Make sure notifications and permissions, storage and camera, are allowed so Google Photos can view. Finish by testing. Open images from Messages, Email, and File Manager to ensure Google Photos launches consistently. If something fails, go back to Settings, Apps, choose the other gallery, clear defaults, and repeat the Open with step. Reinstall Google Photos if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if images won't open, verify Google Photos has storage permission and enough local storage. Without those, it can't cache or edit files, and prompts may reappear. That usually resolves most final glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.